Hello guys, let's see the continuation part of second chapter, and the subject is financial management of third BCom. And today we are going to discuss about leverages. Leverages is the benefit that accrues to equity shareholders in the form of higher earning per share. So leverage is a benefit that arising to the equity shareholders in the form of increased EPS. In financial management, the term leverage means the influence of one financial variable over some other related financial variable. So leverages means how the changes that has happened in financial variable will have its impact on other financial factor or variable. Leverage is used to describe the ability of a company to use its fixed cost assets to increase the return to the shareholders. So leverage will help us to describe the ability of a company to use its fixed assets to increase the return to the shareholders. So leverage can also be defined as relative change in profits due to change in sales. So leverage can describe us what is the changes in profit is made because of changes in sales. Let's see the types of leverages. There are three types. It is operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. And in this video we are going to discuss about first type, that is operating leverage. So it is a magnified effect on the operating profit for a given change in sales due to presence of fixed cost. So operating leverage means it is a effect on the operating profit or EBIT because of change in sales, and it is because of presence of fixed cost. While solving problem, we will be getting to know this meaning. Fixed cost represents manufacturing overheads, office and administration overheads, and selling and distribution overheads. So these are the cost remains unchanged even when there is increase or decrease in the output. Only those variable overheads like material cost and labor cost vary with the output. When output increases or decreases, there will be changes in the material cost and labor cost, and there will be no changes in the fixed cost like manufacturing, office and administration, and selling and distribution overheads. That remains unchanged. So this is a formula to calculate operating leverage. Operating leverage is equals to contribution divided by EBIT. When two situations are analyzed, the degree of operating leverage, for that formula is percentage change in EBIT divided by percentage change in sales. So let's move to the practical now. Let's see the first problem. Calculate operating leverage from the following. Information given: sales 1 lakh units, price rupees 10 per unit, variable cost rupees 6 per unit, fixed cost rupees 2 lakh. So with the help of statement of income, we can calculate operating profit. With the help of operating profit and contribution, we can calculate operating leverage. So statement of income, first we have to write sales. In statement of income, first we need to calculate sales. So sales here 1 lakh units into current price is rupees 10. So sales is rupees 10 lakh. Sales minus variable cost. First you should know the format. First we have to write sales, then variable cost we need to deduct from sales. So variable cost, it is always calculated on units. So units is 1 lakh, current price is rupees 6. So 1 lakh into 6, it is 6 lakh. So sales minus variable cost, and the answer is called contribution. Sales minus variable cost, answer is contribution. So 10 lakh minus 6 lakh, it is 4 lakh. From contribution, what we have to deduct? We have to deduct fixed cost. Fixed cost given in problem, that is 2 lakh. So 4 lakh minus 2 lakh. The answer is EBIT or operating profit. So operating profit or EBIT is 2 lakh. So now we have to write a formula to calculate operating leverage. What is the formula? And the formula is contribution divided by EBIT. So what is contribution? Sales minus variable cost. Answer is contribution, and contribution is 4 lakh. And what is EBIT? You got from statement of income, that is 2 lakh. So operating leverage is equals to 4 lakh divided by 2 lakh. It is 2 times. So operating leverage is 2 times. So if you want to give an interpretation, you can give that operating profit will increase twice the percentage of increase in sales. That is, a 10% increase in sales will result in 20% increase in EBIT. That means 2 times. 10 times sales alli changes adre EBIT alli double andre 20 times 20% changes agutte. That's what. We'll go for next problem. Here is the second problem. Atlas Product Limited presents the following details. You are required to calculate operating leverage. Selling price per unit rupees 12, sales 2 lakh units, variable cost rupees 7 per unit, fixed cost rupees 7 lakh. Analyze the situation with an output. That means analyze the situation for 2 lakh units and sales of 3 lakh units. So we need to calculate statement of income. We need to prepare statement of income for two situation, that is for 2 lakh units as well as 3 lakh units, and we need to calculate operating leverage. Here is the solution. Statement of income for the year ended for 2 lakh units and for 3 lakh units. So first you write down the sales. So what is the per unit price of sales? Sales per unit price is rupees 12. So 12 into 2 lakh, it is 24 lakh. 12 into 3 lakh, 12 into 3 lakh, it is 36 lakh. So you can write here, it is 2 lakh into 12, 3 lakh into 12. That's how we got it. Sales in the end deduct malike variable cost, less variable cost. What is variable cost? Per unit variable cost is rupees 7. So it is rupees 7. So 7 into 2 lakh, it is 14 lakh. 7 into 3 lakh, 21 lakh. And the contribution is sales minus variable cost. 24 lakh minus 14 lakh, 10 lakh, 36 lakh minus 21 lakhs, it is 15 lakh. So from contribution, you have to deduct fixed cost. Fixed cost will remain same for any output. So it is 7 lakh. So eradu situation kuda fixed cost same agirutte. Yakant helidre fixed cost output mele depend agilla. It is same for all the level of output. So EBIT is equals to 3 lakh. So 10 lakh minus 7 lakh, 3 lakh, 15 minus 7, it is 8 lakh. So we got operating profit, we have contribution. Now we need to calculate operating. Calculation of operating leverage, and the formula is contribution divided by EBIT. So first we'll calculate for 2 lakh units. For 2 lakh units, operating leverage is equals to contribution is 10 lakh divided by EBIT is 3 lakh. So operating leverage is 3.33 times. Then for 3 lakh units, operating leverage is equals to contribution is 15 lakh, EBIT is 8 lakh. So 15 lakh divided by 8 lakh, it is 1.875 times. So now we have to make analysis. When sales increased by 50%, that means ಮೊದಲು 2 lakh ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ 3 lakh, ಸೊ 1 ಲಕ್ಷದಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 50%. EBIT increased by 66.67. So how it is? This is confirmed by operating leverage multiplied by 50% increase in sales. So operating leverage was 3.33. So sales ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, 50% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ EBIT ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದದ್ದು 167.67%. And simply you can see that risk profile has come down from 3.3 to 1.875. So 3.33 ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿವರೇಜ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು 1.875. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.